In the dashboard, if there is an orange circle next to Updates, then you have items to update. Click on Updates. If WordPress core needs to be updated, you will see an updated version of WordPress is available. Make sure you have a good backup before updating. Click on the Update Now button to get the latest version. To update plugins, return to the Updates screen and select the plugins that you want to update. Click on the Update Plugins button. To return to the Updates screen, click the Go to WordPress Updates page link. To update themes, scroll to the bottom of the page and select the themes that you want to update. If you want to do all themes at once, click the Select All box. Click on the Update Themes button. You have now updated WordPress core, plugins, and themes from the Updates screen.